afternoon, sir. My name is Benyo Baray. Vision. A leading local of university now to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both local and global communities. Mission. University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible efficient though innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commend the shaping ethical trailblazer, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, fashion. And ang pangalan po ng sir ko is si Sir Philip Michael Awanan. And ang natutunan ko po nung Net 101 last semester is yung about sa network device. Pag gamit ng ng router, switch, hub, access point, modem, and then sa IP addressing, tas sa subnetting sa mga sir, pag ng IP1, IPv4 at IPv6, kung paano hinati ang network gamit ang submask. Tapos sa mga networking ng kahulugan ng network, mga ori ng LAN, WAN, MAN, tas PAN. Tas sa mga sa mga pag-connecta ng mga device, yun sir. And then sa sa mga USI, tas TCP, IP models, ganun sir. Mga mga 7 layer ng OSI pala, model at 4 layers ng TCP, IP